All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I am your host, Ryan Mehta. We're going to dive right into it today. I want to point out a little bit about circulating supply and something you guys want to keep in mind when going in the bear market. So we're going to pull up DENT on the charts real quick, and I'm going to show you guys why I got caught holding bags of DENT for almost 3 years and didn't even come close to getting my money back this bull run. So if we're going into a bear market or a crypto winter maybe, and with this bear run runs out for a year, maybe even 2 years, heck, even anything longer than 6 months, at the rate certain coins are distributing coins into circulation, the inflation rate makes it nearly impossible if we go into a bull run for longer than 2 years for you to even come close to getting your money back. So let's pull up DENT on the charts and let's break it down. And of course, as always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll never advise you to invest in crypto in any way, shape, or form. Let's get it. So if we come over here and we take a look at DENT in 2018, at the peak of this bull run, we can see that DENT reached a high of 9 cents, almost 10 cents. And I'm pretty sure I was watching somebody's content where they were telling me to buy the dips. So here I was buying the dips at 6 cents, and I was probably buying the dips at 7 cents and probably buying the dips at 8 cents. Why? Because I saw a coin that was 7 cents and I saw a coin back here that was 0.001. And I actually probably started buying DENT honestly at like 2 cents or 3 cents. And I probably bought it on this dip at 1 cent and then bought more up here and bought more up here. I know I was buying DENT, and I know I had over 1,000 coins or over 2,000 coins or something like that. Hell, I might even had 10,000 coins. But either way, what you're looking at here in 2018 was DENT peaking out at 9 cents, almost 10 cents. If you guys aren't familiar how circulating supply or how market cap is actually calculated, your market cap is the price of the coin times the supply equals your market cap. So you can see right now, if I were to take 0.0033356 and times it by 98.26 billion, it would equal 329 million. And I'll show you guys just to prove it. I just go over to a simple calculator. So if DENT has 98.26 billion times 0.00368.00368 equals $330 million, right? So 330 million, and now it's changing by the second, so that'll change a little bit. And what do we see with the price of DENT this bull run? We've seen DENT was only able to make it to a penny. Now I want you guys to take a look at something really quick. Right here, see DENT right here? See DENT back in 2018? Now watch when I show you the market cap. It looks like over here, we had about 1.8 billion invested into DENT this year. Back here, we barely hit $1 billion. At its peak, when the coin was 10 cents, it only hit $1 billion. And this year we hit what? 1.8 billion. So we almost 2x the market cap. And the price of the coin didn't even come close. You guys see the difference there? And why is that? So if we take a look at market cap again, and we jump back over here to 2018, this is a perfect learning example. People that are packing their bags on these lower, smaller cap altcoins that have an unlimited circulating supply. So if you come over here and you look at coin market cap and you see max supply and you see total supply, if you do not see a maximum supply, read right here, the maximum amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of this cryptocurrency, it is an analog to the fully diluted shares in the stock of the market. If the data has not been submitted by the project or verified by CMC, max supply shows ... More than likely meaning that this coin is being mined and there is no max supply like Dogecoin. So to keep this in mind, now check this out. We take the max of the market cap, which we had 1.5 billion. We're gonna come over here to our calculator and you can see 1,000, 100,000, million, I need one more zero. Billion. 1 0 5 0 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, there we go. And we're going to divide that by the price of DENT was 0.09894. 0.098, right? So a little under 10 cents equals right here. So in 2018, the amount of coins that were in circulation were 10 billion. If I did the math right, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes, 10 billion coins in circulation. So not even 3 years later, or a little over 3 years later, DENT now has 98.26 billion coins in circulation. So you figure if they went from 10 billion to pretty much 100 billion in 3 years, I would assume that 3 years from now, they will have another 90 million or 90 billion coins in circulation. So that means that the price of debt needs to grow in compound interest at a rate that beats the inflation rate, or more than likely you will watch your investment continue to depreciate over time. That's why people said that Dogecoin would never ever see a price this high. Why? Because they're always mining coins. I made the first Dogecoin video on February, and I think circulating supply was 125 billion if I'm not mistaken. So Dogecoin in a few months put out another 5 billion coins in circulation, or it might be 500 million. I don't know the exact number. I'm dumb money, guys. I'm just showing you guys the analogy. So that's the mathematics behind it. Anytime you're looking to invest in a coin, especially going into the bear market, you always want to make sure that you fully understand what a circulating supply is, and then make sure that if your coin has a circulating supply like Shiba. I strongly suggest you look at other ways to invest your money going into a bear market, because coins like this are the most dangerous. Whether they burn, I showed you guys on Shiba that if they burn 999 million coins per day for the next 1,000 years, they will still have a circulating supply of 796 billion. Not trillion, just billion. That's just no brainer, guys. All right, squad. So that's a wrap on my circulating supply breakdown. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. Again, my name's Ryan Madden. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.